everyone. We are back here with Glen Velvet Reviews, and I just got the Dirt Devil mini stick 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. I got this to use for my studio apartment. I mostly have wood floors. I do not have carpet. I only have like a little rug that accumulates dirt by the door. That's the only one that I really have. So it's not that big of a deal for me. I didn't need something crazy, and this was only $24.99, I think, on Amazon, and it took a couple days to get here for some reason. I don't know why, but it did. So this is the one that I went with. I bought this same version of it about 6 years ago, and it works great. Like, it did work great when we had it. I even bought the steamer, and that worked well too. So let's do a unboxing review, and then we'll do a review of me just putting it together and stuff. Then we'll put another video together of me actually reviewing it, clean up, crap on the carpet and on the floor and stuff like that. Alright, so let's get this box open, see what we got here. So this is what the box looks like. This is Dirt Devil mini stick. Well, not really much on the box at all, if you notice. Not really that much at all. So let's open up the box. Okay. Alright, so it came shipped just like this. It did not come in a second box or a white box or a box without a label on it, so no one steals it if they're in the town for a Dirt Devil, or in the market for a Dirt Devil. Then they know they could just take this off my porch. But it's only $24.99. I guess that's why they do that, to help keep the price down. So we got the instructions right here. They were on the side. They come right out. 1, 2, 3 user manual. Dirt Devil 3-in-1 stick vacuum. This is what it's called. That's what it looks like. All right, replacement parts if you need a filter, I guess, or some crap. This looks like it got wet. The instructions look like they're a little wet. I don't know why. They look a little like damp, but hopefully that they were damp before this before it went into the box. So. But it just gives you a quick scenario of, what goes on, how to put it together, and all that other stuff. What's this? Hey, are you in love? Not feeling it? Oh, so this is they don't want you to return it right away. I guess the Dirt Devil wants you to call them if you were unsatisfied with the product. So you can do that, and that's in there too. So let's get this pulled out, see what it looks like here. So here is, I guess, some kind of handle or something. And here's the screws that screw it together. So there's the screws. I guess these screws go in here. This thing goes together somehow. Like that. Yep, like that. And then it just screws together right in the back right here. And then, yeah, that's it. I guess this is to hang it up or something. I don't know. And this is where the wire also will get wrapped around. The wire gets wrapped around of that. Here's an extension piece. It does not move. It doesn't do anything. It just sits there. It looks like this. I mean, $24.99. What do you want? But yeah, there's no adjustment or anything like that. It doesn't get skinny. The one I used to have had like an adjustment on it to make it like skinny and not skinny. It was pretty cool. But this, I do not see that, and I don't want to break anything. So this is kind of what you get as your accessory. I guess a little extension on that. So here is the motor, the actual vacuum itself. Here's the motors right here. Power buttons on the top, as you can see, right here. Filters right here. Hit the button. I'm guessing this just pops right, bam, pops. That was really easy. Pops right off. There's screws here too as well. I don't know what those are for. So like I said, this is just an unboxing review. I'll put it together in the next video, next clip. I'll put it together and we'll see what we got. So yeah, that's kind of it. This is the filter. You can get replacement filters if you need to. That's what it said. So it looks about, it's pretty big. I thought it'd be a little bit smaller, but I guess you want it a certain size, so this way it can collect all the crap in here and not, you don't have to dump it out every 5 minutes. So I get that's why it's a little big, but it just looks a little bit bigger than I thought it was going to be. So, and then there's something over here. This looks like the release if you want to turn it into just a handheld vacuum. If you want to turn it into that, this looks like right here. There's a button right here. That looks like that's the release for it. So I don't know. We're going to see how that works in a little bit. So that's in there as well. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. I guess we got the, part of the handle. And here's the base. And here's the base, pickup base, I guess, if you want to call it or whatever. It must go in like this. Yep, goes in like that, and that's it. So it looks like that, pretty much. And then you're going to be using the stick over here with this, and turns into like a little mini vacuum. Like I said, this isn't made for carpet, so I don't have any expectation for this to work good on carpet. I'm just going to do a review on it on some carpet that I have, so you guys can see if it actually even works or not, or is pretty much just a waste of time and only made for hardwood floors and tiles and stuff like that. So we'll check that out as well. That's all that's in the box. That's everything right there. So this is everything pretty much that you see that you get inside the box. So I'm going to start putting this together in the next video, so stay with me. I'll be right back, and I'm just going to read over the instructions just to make sure, because like I told you, I got this 6 years ago, so I don't remember everything, but I kind of want to be efficient for you guys and not be wasting your time. So alright, so I'll be right back, and we'll keep this going, and we'll check how to put this thing together. Alright, thanks. Alright, so we're back. Let's get this thing together. I got my screw gun over here. We're ready to go. Let's get it going. Alright, surround handle tube with 2 handle grip pieces and press until you hear a click. So they must mean this. So I guess they go in this way. Oh. So you need to make sure that this goes in the right way, because it needs to be able to click in here. So it does go in here and it clicks. So you do need to make sure that you're putting on the handle the right way. See how it has this little notch right here? That notch is for right here with this lock, and it locks it into place. So make sure you put it in the right way on the handle. Okay. This goes in and just says it snaps in. Okay, it snapped in. Okay, we got it to snap in. We snapped it. Where are those screws that I saw? That goes to that. Okay. Alright, I think it's these screws right here. Okay, let's get these screws out. And screw them into here real quick. Alright, so I have the screw gun, so it's going to be a little bit quicker. If you don't have a screw gun, then use a screwdriver. If you're using a screw gun, don't over tighten it and break anything, because it's only plastic. It's not like it's made out of steel or metal or something. Okay. Alright, that's already in. That took a second to do that. That's it. So we got that in. Insert handle tube into hand back. Just like that. See? It works just like that. It went in. There's the release. If you need to release it, pull it out. It releases. Put it back in, okay? So you do it like that. And then it says attach floor nozzle to unit. So we can attach the floor nozzle to the unit, just like so, and you just push it in, and that's it. You're done. So this is kind of what it's going to look like. And this is your setup right here, is what you're going to be cleaning on the floor and cleaning up crumbs and stuff like that. So that's pretty much what you're going to be going with. And then you got this. You can wrap the cord around from here to here, okay? Okay, here's the cord. And then you can just wrap the cord around like this, like so. I'm not going to wrap the whole thing up because I'm going to use it to vacuum in a couple of minutes, so I'm just showing you how it works. And you probably want to make sure this is all stretched out pretty well. And then, yeah, so it just wraps up just like this, and that's it. You're pretty much done. So that's kind of the setup of what it looks like. That's just a setting up review, a building review, I guess you can call it, an unboxing review, you can call it. And that's it. And like I said, you still have this attachment that you can use, that you can press on. I'll probably be using that for the couch, I guess, or something. And that's it. So, and that's about it for Glen Velvet Reviews right now. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel and join me on my... Oh, shit. Alexa, stop. Back to what I was saying. Please subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures. I always try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like the community helps out me. So I try to put on stuff to see, so you guys can see what you're going to get before you spend the money and buy it. Like I said, this wasn't that expensive, so don't have high expectations. But you know, 25 bucks is still 25 bucks. And that's about it. So I'm going to get to vacuuming in a little bit. I'll do a review on the vacuuming. I'll probably put up a separate video for that, and that'll be more like a test video instead, and we'll go from there. But that's about it right now for the setup and the pretty much putting together, I guess, or whatever you want to call it. All right, so thank you, everybody. Be safe. Have a good one. Enjoy. Bye-bye.